Good boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Leo the Daddy Dog. Come home late, you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight, you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. And how can a love last forever? Get left so far behind. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. It's crossed the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? Now we ain't got one word to say. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed at the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. What in the world has come over you, baby? Now what in heaven's name have you done? Sugar, now what in the world has come over us? We're out there running just to be on the run. Out there running just to be on the run. Out there running just to be on the run. Little John Prine. I think I'm going to do another song, and we're going to do it. It's going to be like a short little live stream this evening. Well, I used to have a best friend and a girl for to be my bride. You know, I had everything, people that a man could want, and I believed I was satisfied. I believed I was satisfied. Oh Lord, I come home one evening, and the moon was hanging high. You know, I felt something was wrong, something must be going on. And a black cat passed me by. Yeah, a black cat passed me by. Well, I peeked right through keyhole. Whoa, tell me what did I see? Oh my God, I saw my gal with my best friend in a bed that belonged to me. In a bed that belonged to me. Well, what do you think I did? What the fuck would you do? Well, I went and grabbed my shotgun. You know how the story goes. Gonna spend all my days just wasting all away on cell block number 9. I'm wearing them county clothes. 'Cause the judge and jury know they found me guilty. And I heard that old gavel sound. And the only friend who would have thrown my bail, he was 6 feet in the fucking ground. He was 6 feet in the motherfucking ground. Hey! Oh Lord, I feel so goddamn low down. Ain't got nothing to call mine. I'm gonna spend all my days, people just wasting all away on cell block number 9. Yes, cell block number 9. Yes, cell block number 9. Number 9. Cell block number 9. All right, thank you very much for tuning in. Next time it'll be longer. So set aside some time.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Peace.